We discuss about the nature of image formed by concave mirror in different position of object. As you know, concave mirror is also called converging mirror. Correct now? So suppose it is principal axis, this one concave mirror, and it is its pole, focus, center of curvature, and here infinity. See here, either object may kept at infinity, first position. Second, object may kept in between infinity and center of curvature. Third, at the center. Fourth, in between center and focus. Fifth, at focus, and last position between focus and pole. We will move step by step. The first case, when object is at infinity. When object is at infinity or light is coming from the infinity, then it may suppose that light may coming parallel to the principal axis. Suppose these two are incidentally coming parallel to the principal axis, then as you know by law of image formation, when light is coming parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection by a concave mirror, they will passes through focus. Passes through focus. So see here, both reflected ray get intersected at F. It means image is formed at F. So image is formed at focus, and since image is formed in front of the mirror, so it is real, and real images are always inverted. Here magnification, as you know, magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. So here the size of image is point size, so height of the point is supposed to be 0. So magnification is equal to height of image by height of object, which is 0 upon height of object, that is 0. So magnification is nearly 0. Clear? Point size. Point size. Now second position. When object is kept between infinity and center of curvature. It is concave mirror kept here. It is AB is object. It is suppose focus, and here it is center of curvature. One incident ray coming parallel to the principal axis. So as you know, when they are coming parallel to the principal axis, then certainly after reflection they will passes through focus. Other incident ray coming from the focus, so after reflection it become parallel to the principal axis. Become parallel to principal axis. Correct? Suppose M. So here AM is parallel to principal axis, so passes through focus. Here second incident ray coming through focus, so after reflection it become parallel to the principal axis. So both reflected ray meet here. So this is the image A dash B dash. So here image is formed between focus and center of curvature. Real because it is in front of the mirror, and if it is real, so it is inverted. Smaller than object. Smaller than object. And see here, its magnification, height of image by height of object. So here height of image is less than height of object. Numerator is less than denominator. So its magnification is less than -1. Why -1? Now minus sign is taken by sign convention. See here, height of image negative. Magnification is equal to, as you know, this is a formula, minus HI by HO. Sorry, plus HI by HO. It is magnification in terms of height of object and image. HI is negative, HO is positive, so resultant will be negative. So it is its magnification in this case less than -1. Now third case, when object is kept exactly at C, It is for between C and infinity, correct? So at C, here AB, focus, parallel, light coming parallel to principal axis, so certainly it will passes through focus. Other coming through focus, so after reflection become parallel to the principal axis, so both reflected ray meet here. So here it is image A dash B dash. So see here, if object is kept at C, image also formed at C. So image is formed at center of curvature, since it is in front of the mirror. So real, so it is inverted, equal to object, and see here again magnification, height of image by height of object. So here height of image equal to height of object, but height of image is negative because it is below to the principal axis. So magnification is equal to -1. Fourth case, when object is kept between center of curvature and focus. Here it is focus. It is parallel incident ray, certainly it will passes through focus. Other coming through focus, so after reflection here, this is image A dash B dash. Okay, so if object is kept between center of curvature and focus, then image is formed beyond C. Image is formed beyond C. So image is formed beyond center of curvature, real, inverted, greater than object, or you may say magnified. If image is bigger than object, then it is also called magnified. And magnification, see here, height of image by height of object. Height of image is negative, but its magnitude is more than height of object. So magnification will be greater than -1. When object is kept exactly at focus, here it is supposed C. One incident ray coming parallel to principal axis, certainly it will passes through focus. Other incident ray suppose coming along the direction of center of curvature, then as you know, if it is coming along the direction of center of curvature, then supposed to be perpendicular to the surface of mirror, then it retraces the path. See here, both reflected rays are parallel. Remember it, both reflected rays should be parallel here, and if both are parallel, then it's supposed to be they are meet at infinity. So image is formed at infinity. Real because it is in front of the mirror, remains inverted because it is real. Real images are always inverted. Here much greater than object, or you may say highly magnified, and its magnification is very greater than -1. And last and very important case, when object is kept between focus and pole. It is kept here, A, B, in between pole and focus. One incident ray coming parallel to principal axis, certainly it will passes through focus. Suppose it is C center of curvature, other incident ray coming along the direction of center of curvature, then as you know it will retrace the path supposed to be perpendicular on the surface of mirror. So if both reflected ray increase along reverse direction, they will appear to meet behind the mirror. Behind the mirror here, it is image A dash B dash. So image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, and since it is behind, then it is erect, and if it is erect and behind the mirror, so it is virtual. Its magnification, see here, height of image by height of object. Height of image above the principal axis, height of object above the principal axis, so both are positive, but height of image is greater than height of object, so magnification is greater than +1. Greater than +1. Clear? Than object. Greater than object. See here, in this case, if your face is in between pole and focus of the concave mirror, then your image will be erect and magnified. Due to this nature, this concave mirror is preferred over plane mirror for saving purpose. During saving, if the size of hair is very small, if we use concave mirror instead of plane mirror, then the image of small hair will be bigger than that of plane mirror, because the magnification of plane mirror is +1, means height of image is equal to height of object, and here magnification of concave mirror, especially in this case, it is greater than +1, so it makes easy to save the for saving purpose while we use concave mirror instead of plane mirror. So this question came in board exam also, ki for saving purpose which mirror you will prefer, concave or plane? So your answer will be concave, because if object is kept between pole and focus, then obtained image is erect and magnified. That's why concave mirror is preferred over plane mirror for saving purpose. So it's all about nature of image at different position of object. Have you seen? Suppose it is concave, pole, focus, center of curvature, here it is infinity. So these are the different position of object. Suppose O1, then it is O2, it is O3, it is O4, it is O5, and it is O6. So when object is at infinity, then image is formed here at focus. So it is I1, it is I2, it is I3, it is I4, it is I5, and one is here, it is I6. So these are the different position of image. Here I1, it is point size, very small, here smaller than object, here equal to object, bigger than object, much bigger than object, and also bigger than object. So you can keep it in mind, as object approaches the concave mirror stepwise, image shifted outward from the mirror. But while object is kept between focus and pole, then image is formed behind the concave mirror. It is erect and magnified. So thank you. It's all about concave mirror.